Then after that, I'll just simply click on send, choose which copy I'm going to send. I'll choose office copy at this moment. And then you can also configure templates of wording. Where you can do this is in your backend of the system, under the feeds, the email template, you can configure the wording. And then if I choose the one you just selected, so this is the one. So I'm just gonna, now this one, you can't obviously SMS because it'll not go like this, but I can email this. So once I send this, you will receive this to your email. In that email, you can also click on it and sign on it if you want to go ahead. So what it will do, if I go into its story, it'll notify me the office copy is sent, the customer has seen the quote at this time, and is signed on it. Usually what will happen, you will get a notification pop up here. So you don't need to drill into this. A small notification will pop up to show you customer have clicked on it, signed on it, all that stuff. And if you click on it, it'll bring straight to that particular story.